Hi, I'm Juan.
And I'm Mary.
And we are the Hungry Cuban Adventures. And on this video, we're going to share with you a new addition that we have to the family. We did it, didn't we? Why did we do it?
Because it completes the RV.
It completes the RV?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell them the story. How did it happen?
Well, last year, our dog of 15 years passed away, and anybody that's ever had a dog knows they've become a part of your family, and it was sad. And so a year later, around October of this year, 2019, I started to get the dog bug. And I started looking. I found the website Pet Finder, which is great. It's across the nation, just different adoption agencies for dogs and cats, and they've got great filters, sex of the animal, what kind of animal, age, what they're good with, children, other dogs, cats. So you can put in where you're going to be at, and that's what I did. Juan thought I was going to wait till we got back to Lakeland.
Wait. Let me interrupt for a minute. So it's October. We're going back to Lakeland to be with our son and daughter-in-law for a couple months, and then going to South Florida. So I was told when we get to Lakeland, which will be in November, I'd like to get a dog. Well, all of a sudden...
That was a green light for me.
October, I start getting all these, wow, look at this picture. Oh, and look at this picture. What do you think of this dog? So needless to say, as we worked our way down, going to South Florida, she was looking at all these different cities that we're going to be stopping at. And
doesn't hurt to look. We were going to be in Fayetteville visiting some friends there, and a very special dog came across the screen. There was this beautiful black and white lab mix. Her name was Sunny, and it was love at first sight. Living in a house, was housebroken, and I was like, I think this is the one. And so I showed that beautiful face to Juan, and Juan said,
okay, let's go check it out. You can never just go and check out a dog.
No.
You go and check out a dog, and
that's it.
You're done. Her name is no longer Sunny.
Yeah. No.
So Mary had thought about Gracie, and that's what stuck.
Yeah, it does, because she's just a kind and gentle. She's almost like a little old lady kind of thing, For a dog that's only 9 months old, you would never know it, because she's just gentle and soft, and she's a wonderful dog. She's such a joy, because she's just running around chasing the birds, chasing leaves, chasing anything.
So you want to meet her?
Meet Gracie.
This is Gracie. All 50 all 50 pounds over. How you doing? I just want to give you a close-up of the new girl.
Gracie Montalvo.
Here she is.
Welcome to the Hungry Cuban.
Let me ask you a question. If you have a dog and you RVing full-time, what are some of the challenges you've had with your dog, and what are some suggestions you even have for us? Please leave us a comment. Thank you for watching. We're grateful that you're here. Please subscribe to our channel, hit that bell, and like that video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
It's a little cold in Myrtle Beach.
Look at us. He looks like a gnome.
I look like a gnome.
With his little beard.
It's a little cold out here. It's 40.